We are Robert and Dale, and this episode is a little different from our usual adventures. We have just got back from witnessing a most spectacular light show held in Rotorua for the Matariki festivities that were on this weekend. We absolutely loved this drone show and wanted you, our audience, to experience it too. But only if you want to. We know it's not for everyone. So enjoy the whole experience that we got to view on the night, and it won't be long until we get back to our usual adventures.
Matariki, the medicine woman. Rehua, the healer, were lovers. Their love burst forth 8 star children, known as the Kahui Matariki. Tupuānuku, Tupuārangi, Waitī, Waitā, Waipunarangi, Ururangi, Hiwa-i-te-rangi, Matariki. Tupuānuku is the eldest child who guides our loved ones across the night sky. She is connected to flowers that bloom during summer. Tupuānuku Maria mai,
Maria mai,
te aroha,
te aroha ki a kora e.
Wapua mai ana te mautu tapa, o te ruke tanga te Waipunarangi a mahina.
Tupuānuku governs over food that grows beneath the earth. She signals the bounty of the year's crops, like the kumara.
Tipite, yaro moro moho atuko. O timo ko, ketu, tipite, yeah.
Tupuārangi guides our food sources from the sky and trees. When he shines brightly, these food sources will be plentiful. Waitī and Waitā are twins. Waitī cares for our freshwater kai, while her brother, Waitā, watches over the ocean. Together, they balance the waters of the earth and the life forces found within.
Kei hea te tuna, hei roto I te ngawha, hei roto I te ngawha. Kei hea te tuna, hei roto te utuhina, Kei hea te tuna, hei roto I tā puke.
Waipunarangi brings the rain, nurturing the earth and our crops. Her rise signals renewal, washing away that which no longer serves. Ururangi guides the winds. His breath moves through the world, reminding us of the ever-changing nature of life. as a beacon of well-being and new beginnings. With her light, we find hope and strength to nurture ourselves and each other during the year ahead.
Tupuānuku, Tupuārangi, Waitī, Waitā, Waipunarangi, Ururangi, Hiwa-i-te-rangi, Matariki, Mana watia a Matariki.
She's brilliant, hey?